Saturday, May 23, 2026. Focus. You follow me. Christ's words to Peter are an obvious reprimand. Jesus sternly tells him not to be inquisitive about what might happen to the other disciple, John, but to follow him obediently. We often compare ourselves with someone else, perhaps to see if they are as talented or as capable as we are. Sadly, this happens even among those working in the Lord's vineyard. Sometimes we may feel that the Lord is partial to other people because they have more gifts, charisms, or blessings than we. God does not want us to engage in this kind of fruitless comparison because with our limited minds, we can never understand His ways. Instead, we could emulate Saint Paul when he was unfairly accused and brought to Rome to be tried. He did not compare his state with that of other followers of Christ, who were not made to suffer as he was. He simply accepted it as God's will and made the best of a bad situation. In fact, he used it as an opportunity to bring the good news to a completely new set of people. Comparing ourselves with others can only lead to disappointment and disillusionment and distract us from our main focus, which should be to spread God's kingdom on the earth. It can affect our relationships and ultimately the Lord's work. Fruit. I will strive to follow Jesus more closely without getting distracted by what or how much someone else is doing.